Hey friends, if you encounter the error, download failed virus detected message in Chrome and Windows PC, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Google Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select settings. And then you can go to the reset settings page, restore settings to the original defaults and reset settings. Okay, this is one thing, and then you can run the security scan. So search for Windows security in the Windows search bar. Go to Windows security, go to virus and threat protection, scan options, full scan, scroll down and click on scan now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.